Hey there, it's Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. I am here in Columbus for the Together Digital Annual Conference, and I am just getting ready for my big presentation tomorrow. Are you guys loving this or what? I'm going full on with my gear tomorrow. I've got my awesome cowboy hat. I've got my Snapfish filter glasses. Are you loving these or are you loving these? Aren't they adorable? And I've got my pink feather boa. I am so excited about tomorrow's presentation. It's been a busy day today, and I'm going to be doing a LinkedIn presentation tomorrow, and I'm going to flip my screen here to show you what I'm going to be presenting. Let's see what we got here. So how to rock on LinkedIn in 2019 and beyond. Ready for this? This is going to be the fastest preview you've ever seen of a presentation. So I'm going to be going through some profile optimization techniques. I'll be talking about posting, sending invitations on LinkedIn. My NEVA technique, we'll be covering that tomorrow as well. And I'll be giving people some homework at the end. So that's it. That's in reverse there, guys. Isn't that exciting? I am so excited. And I normally give away pie here in Columbus, and I had a little bit of a hard time finding a bakery. So if you watch me, you know that I love coffee, pie, and chocolates. So look what I've got here. I have got some chocolates from Winans Chocolate and Coffees, and these are the best Buckeyes in the land, guys. So, and if you look closely, we can actually spell out pie on here. I think if I cover up the top part of the B, that's like a P, and then there's an I right there, and there's an E right there. So technically I am giving away pie tomorrow. So that's it. This is Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing, representing Detroit Together Digital, and I'm going to be sharing some great techniques tomorrow at 2 p.m. I would love it if you could join me. If you'll be in the room, give me a shout out on social media beforehand so that I can pull your profile up on screen, and we'll be having a blast. Thanks again. Have a great night.